For me, wellness lives in the breath. I'm someone who is extremely passionate about healthy lifestyle. I grew up in a very sporty family, and daily exercise was always part of my life. I got to know yoga during my studies, where we actually explored yoga as one of the treatments for stress and anxiety and even depression. There's a lot of people that think that yoga is all about exercise, it's about the asanas, the postures, but it's just one of the 8 limbs that yoga is made of. Yoga is about so much more. I found out that the reason why yoga is so important for your mental health is because of breath. So now we've got the yoga that teaches us how to breathe properly and serves as a tool for us. And the second most important thing is the actual air that we breathe in, whether it's clean or it's full of chemicals and toxins. That influences our overall health, it influences our sleep, it influences our hormones, our heart, our brain function, and so much more. So just think about you spending 8 hours at night in your bedroom sleeping. And here in UAE, I can tell you that 95% of the time your AC is on. If your AC is not clean, if your AC is not how it should be serviced and prepared for you, you are breathing for 8 hours polluted air full of toxins. How do you think that can affect you? So much, everything. And so I make sure that my AC is always clean, and it is important, and I do believe it makes a difference.